trying to figure out how to get up on the back of the truck because Gary's planning on backing him up in the water to fish some rain.
You don't have to do it by yourself. You step on the tires. Tires don't be up in the water.
Gary's backing Gary's backing Mike up on this homemade GMC boat. All right, Gary, his feet's in the water.
Oh, well, pick him up. Oh. And we already got fish anyway.
Mike, hey, you catching any fish?
Hey, I'm getting a rock or two every once in a while.
Okay, well, we can't eat them.
All right. Get your feet up.
I hope these boots are waterproof.
They're probably not. Mike's on his GMC boat out here in the White Buffalo Resort River fishing. All right, go ahead.
It's what you call a redneck boat.
The GMC redneck boat.
Redneck boat.
Now, I'm from Arkansas.
Yeah.
Hey, we rednecks too. We from Florida.
We beach rednecks.
I went to California when I was 18 because everything's supposed to be cool out there.
Yeah.
I got out to California and I found out they wasn't nothing but rednecks with surfboards. That's all they were. Rednecks with surfboards.
Mm-hmm.
That's how close the train is right there.
Well, I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.